Hey guys, man, today I'm gonna be showing you a video about Buffalo Phil's Pizza and Grill, and as you can see a train coming by. That's because it give us our food. So the train give us our food, and our drinks. See that it gave them their food. Yeah. I'm making a YouTube video. And then you see the train tracks, and I got special guests here. It's a little low. And make sure you go subscribe to my channel. But no, I'm joking, guys. Go subscribe to his channel. He got a really good channel. And I see. You can see, oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? And see this? Part 2 is I'm gonna be showing you the train. So goodbye.